So, let's clear up one of the biggest confusions out here. The morning after pill and the abortion pill are not the same thing, and mixing them up could leave you totally lost, scared, or worse, misinformed. Let's break it down clearly. 1. The morning after pill. Sometimes called Plan B, Postinor, or emergency contraception. It's used after unprotected sex to prevent pregnancy. Yup, it works before a pregnancy begins, not after. You take it within 72 hours after sex, the sooner the better. Some versions work up to 5 days, but effectiveness drops fast. It mainly works by delaying ovulation or preventing fertilization. It does not end an already established pregnancy. It's not meant to be used every week. It's emergency only, not a regular birth control method. 2. The abortion pill. This one is completely different. It's used when someone is already pregnant and they choose to end the pregnancy. It's actually a combination of 2 pills, Misoprostol, which blocks pregnancy hormones, and Misoprostol, which causes the uterus to expel the pregnancy tissue. This process only works safely if you're within the first 10 to 12 weeks of pregnancy and under medical supervision, especially in countries where it's regulated. It is not sold over the counter. It's a prescription process. So no, you can't just use the morning after pill later and expect it to work like an abortion pill. And you can't take the abortion pill unless a pregnancy is confirmed. Bottom line, morning after pill stops pregnancy before it starts abortion pill. Ends an existing pregnancy. Totally different purposes. Totally different timing. No shame in either. Just make sure you understand what your body needs. Still confused? Don't panic. Visit your nearest clinic, talk to a health worker, and follow Glow Sync for more real talk about your body, sex, and health. No shame, just facts.